Good morning everyone. I'm here to discuss my topic which is Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula. Okay. Region 9, known as Zamboanga Peninsula, is located western Mindanao. It's composed of Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, and Zamboanga Sibugay, with Zamboanga City as regional center. In this report, I will also discuss the history, culture, traditions, and languages. Okay, we have first history. Okay, number one is Spanish influence. The Spaniards built Fort Pilar in 1635, which became a major defense in regional states, which means yung sinaunang Espanya nag-create sila yung mismo nag-create ng Fort Pilar noong 1635, which is naging famous siya sa Zamboanga City. And the second one is the Spanish presence also lead the creation Chabacano, which is yung language ng Spanish, which is siya yung nag-create sa Chabacano languages, which is ginagamit natin until now. And we have the second one is indigenous begins. The early were Subanen who live lives then practices farming. Okay, nung una daw panahon, yung mga Subanen nakatira dito, nag-farming sila at saka naggulay-gulay din sila. And the coastal areas were home Tausug and Samal traded exchange pearls, spices. At saka yung sa second one is yung mga Tausug daw and Samal, yung ginagawa, yung naging traders nila po, yung pearl, kumukuha sila sa dagat. Yes po. And we have the third, second pala, culture. Okay, multicultural identity. The regions of Hispanic, indigenous, and Islamic cultures, which is yung Spanish, which is yung ginagamit natin ngayon na languages, karamihan sa atin na paminsan sa school ginagamit like mga Chabacano. Yes, dito na yung nakasali sa Hispanic. And yung indigenous people, which is me, nakasali pa ako sa indigenous people, which is Samal po. And we have the Islamic cultures, we have Tausug, Yakan, and etc. Okay, in the second one, we have the arts and craft. The Yakan people are known as the color handwriting, which is the Yakan po, yung sila po yung creativity, yung paggawa nila like parang design, like sa mga nakikita natin ng mga tela, sila yung nag-design. Okay, we have the one, the Subanen create traditional music, which is yung mga Subanen, sila yung create na nilang sila yung nagawa ng music nila, which is yung mga wooden instruments, which is galing sa mga bamboo stick, like mga sa ganun. Okay, we have the tradition, Hermosa Festival. Okay, yung Hermosa Festival until now we have sineselebrate pa rin siya, which is sa October siya, every October siya sineselebrate, known as Our Lady of the Pilar. Okay, we have the Buklong Ritual Subanen. Thanksgiving ceremony involving the wooden platform create dramatic sounds. Bala ito na yun, like nakita natin like mga ibang costume nila, like may dala-dala silang bamboo, like with sound, like like parang may mga props din sila to create a great music. Okay, we have the symbolize unity and grateful, which is yung tradition po, ginawa nilang sabay, nag-gathering sila, like parang tulong-tulong sila, which is unity, ginagawa nilang talaga ng gratitude, which is ginagamit nilang fighting spirit nila para magawa yun nila. Okay, we have the languages, which is maraming sa Zamboanga City, marami natin like parang napapansin like maraming ginagamit na languages, which is the first is Chabacano. Yes, yun yung first talaga sa Zamboanga, no, as unique languages. At sa Zamboanga City lang nakalocate yung Chabacano languages like nakikita natin. Ionic based on Spanish. Yung Chabacano unique po siya, unique languages, which is sa Zamboanga City lang siya meron. For example, like bienvenidos, like sa Tagalog, welcome. Yan po yung example ng Chabacano languages. Okay, multicultural regions. Other language like Sabanon, Tausug, Cebuano, like Sama Badchao, like Until now, ginagamit pa rin siya, which is nakasali po sila sa language. And that's all po. Thank you. In conclusions, okay, Region 9 is a diverse and cultural rich are shaped by indigenous roots, Spanish influence, colorful traditions, and multi-languages. Its unique mix makes it one of the most vibrant region in Mindanao, which is unique lang siya sa Mindanao. Nakalocated lang siya sa Zamboanga Peninsula